You're listening to a Shockcast original. Shock.
Alright, welcome back to our next episode of You Nak Duit Tak?
Yeah.
DDNK in the house, Dato Dr Nazri Khan.
Thanks, Vapes.
You're most welcome. You know,
Yes.
it's such an honor to be doing this with you every week.
Cool,
And
Vapes.
Dato, the thing is, right, from
Yeah.
the time we started our first episode until
Correct.
now, banyak sangat questions.
Okay.
I've been chatting with my friends and people have been sending in emails. Oh, by the way, if you want to send in your email with questions or
Yes.
if you want to speak to Dato directly,
Yes.
you can drop us your phone number as well.
Yes.
Email address is younaduit@shock.my.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's the name of the show lah. You nak duit tak? I pun nak duit. Semua nak duit. Now, the first 3 episodes, kita,
Okay.
we were relaxed. We were talking all kinds of stuff.
Yes, yes.
But of course, this is such a serious business.
Okay.
And why I use the word business here is trading is a business, right?
Correct.
That's the one thing I learned from you.
Okay.
But I was lucky enough to have the opportunity to go for your class.
Okay. Cool.
I did your full class.
Cool.
And of course, I'm waiting for the scalper class.
Cool.
Not yet, too soon, probably.
Cool.
The thing here is this. There are people who stubborn gila lah.
Mm-hmm.
You know? How you push pun tak nak jalan. Why should I spend so much money? Trading what? I listen to your podcast, okay lah.
Okay.
But then there has to be some kind of fundamentals, right?
Okay. All right.
Macam mana nak start?
Okay.
You know?
Okay.
And some people ask me all kinds of weird questions, which we will share later on.
All right.
But I think the first most important thing is, and a man who's been doing this for 20 over years,
Correct.
you've seen all kinds of characteristics.
Correct.
You know, all kinds of people come and go. Maybe let's start with this, Dato. The first thing you can share is what kind of characteristics in a person makes a good trader?
Okay. Cool.
You know what I mean?
Yes. All right.
Tell me, Dato.
Okay. Out of my experience,
Yeah.
not so long. Just 23 years.
Yeah, I know. Kejap
Only
je.
23 years in this line. I find that everybody can learn trading,
Okay.
but only 10% are successful.
Okay, I hope I'm in the 10%.
In my 23 years, probably I've grown, I don't know what, 10, 15,000 people to become
I can
traders.
imagine because I'm looking at all your seminars. It's packed to the brim.
Exactly.
Until you have to come up with the apology telling people cannot masuk.
Yes. So I realized that only less than 10% is successful.
Wow.
And these people that are successful, if I look at them, these people are disciplined,
Okay.
they are hardworking,
Yep.
they do a lot of preparation before they trade,
Right.
they know the rules and they follow the rules.
Okay.
Right? The rules to enter, the rules to exit, and the rules to hold.
Okay.
Right? And the most important thing is that these people, they know how to control their emotion.
There you go.
A lot of people think they can learn trading from YouTube. That is wrong. Because in the end, trading is psychological process. It's psychology. It's emotional process. That's why you need a mentor. That's why you need a community.
Right.
You need a support systems. You need
Okay.
to know how to handle loss and that kind of stuff. You know.
Dato, let's get into this emotional mindset and all of these things, right?
Right.
Let's get a little bit more in depth with it, lah.
Okay.
When you say emotional, what does that mean? I mean, you know, buka your trading platform, trade je
It
lah.
means the Ultraman and the Gaban inside your body.
Oh,
There are a lot of Ultraman, a lot of Superman, a lot of monster.
so are you talking about people who probably lost one trade, come back for a revenge trade because marah sangat?
No, even when you make profit also can be dangerous.
Oh,
When you make profit, you have this. That's why I say you have this Gaban or Ultraman, you know, taking over your body and tell you are invincible, you are immune, right? Don't bet small. This time around, you have to bet your father-in-law money.
Hantam kau.
Hantam, because you always win, you know. That's dangerous. So even when you make profit, there are always psychological and emotional problems.
Okay.
So the best traders normally are people that do not have emotion. I call them mayat. Corpse, you know.
Or in English, a person with a poker face.
Exactly.
No emotions.
Exactly, no emotion. You have to be like a rock or a stupid tree when you trade.
Wow.
You make money, nothing happened to you. When you lose money, also nothing to happen to you. Because it's a business, it's a long process. You need to trade like 1,000 times in a year.
Right.
And
That means
you
I'm
play
quite screwed lah, Dato'.
probabilities. Huh?
I'm quite screwed.
Why?
Hari tu I make $56 satu dunia pergi cakap.
That is a serious problem. Yes.
Wow.
Okay. So that's why emotional process.
Okay.
You need to ensure you have emotional maturity, or should I say EQ, emotional
EQ.
quotient. Actually, those that make money, they don't have high IQ one.
Oh,
Most of the super trader,
right.
how should I say it? You don't need a high IQ.
So you don't need to know maths and mathematical sums and calculations and
In fact, I would say low IQ better.
oh my gosh. Because
the lower
you
the IQ, the better.
you just follow je.
You just follow, exactly. All right, and you never question the rules. But you need high IQ.
You know why I'm laughing? The next time I'm going to ask somebody.
No, I'm serious about this.
The next time I'm going to ask somebody, hey boss, kau ni
know how do
pandai
I
ke bodoh? Bodoh jom trade.
Exactly. Some of these people, they have been in my class for 6 days, 4 nights.
Right.
3 months mentoring.
Yeah,
They realize,
yeah.
right, the technique that we use has been so simple.
Yeah.
It's all about trend. It's all about pullback. It's all about support and resistance. So simple.
Right.
All right. But you need to know the best time to trade. This is I call high probable trade.
Right.
Right. And always maintain healthy money management. Sizing. That's important. That's why when you lose, what do? A great trader, he know how to handle loss.
Right. Makan ice cream.
Makan ice cream. Always remain confident, healthy. Mindset is still optimistic despite having losses.
Okay.
Because there are times, no matter how smart you are, even a world-class super trader, they can have like 10 losses in a string. You can have 10 straight loss.
Okay, that's like me lah.
You probably have more than that.
Kira world class lah saya.
Serious, okay? I know a lot of super traders, including myself, that blow their account 2 or 3 times when they first started.
Okay, wait. Blow your account means
blow your account
until
means-
zero.
Yes, you put $1,000, you blow your account. When you started lah.
Right. How
When you
many times
started.
does that happen to you?
To me, probably, I don't know, I still remember, 4 times. 4
What?
times. I'm not talking about $1,000. I'm
Yeah,
talking about 5, 8, $10,000.
Gone, hancur, habis.
Sure, exactly. Because emotion take over.
Correct.
All this happened long time ago lah.
Right.
Then I realized money management is important.
Correct.
All right.
Which is one thing you
Mindset is
kept teaching
important.
us, yes.
And method
Mindset.
is the last one. The technique that you use to enter.
So the least most important would be the method then.
The method.
The
Which-
most important would be your mindset.
Your mindset, yeah. A lot of people think they need to know complex indicators.
Correct.
They need to have super computers.
Yes.
These are all rubbish. Cerita dongeng, myth.
My wife is listening to this now and she's laughing because I told her, I said, I think I need one laptop here, another one here for the indicator. I need a war room.
Yeah, you don't need that actually, Fibs. You
Wow.
don't need- So I like this acronym KISS.
Okay.
Keep it simple and sweet.
Ah.
Right, sweet means your mindset.
Yeah.
As simple means your technique.
Technique.
And your money management.
Money management.
That's all you need. Remember how to handle loss. That is important. That's the hallmark of a great super trader.
Okay.
When you have loss, the next trade should be smaller, not bigger.
Okay, that
You
is
have
revenge
loss,
trading.
Exactly. Otherwise, it become revenge trading, or
Right.
I don't know what you call it, average down,
Right.
garbage trading, whatever you call it. That's why trading plan is important, Fibs. We have been talking about this last week.
Yes, we did. Trading plan is by far the most important.
Yeah.
And let me see if I remember the trading plan, right?
Yeah, okay.
Trading plan is what you're going to trade.
Exactly.
Okay.
Right.
Why you want to trade it.
Correct.
Okay. You need to look at all the charts.
Correct.
Which we will touch in a bit. Okay. Once you've got all of that down, then you do your trade.
How much you want to trade?
How much you want to trade. Yes,
Yeah,
correct. How
how
much you want to trade.
Then you do your trade and you hold your trade.
Hold your trade.
Yeah.
Unlike me, I do my trade. Nampak merah Joy, tutup.
Tu tak boleh, salah. Salah.
Because I remember, Dato', trading live with you. And the first time I traded live with you, I made some profit, obviously.
Correct.
And the moment I hit my trades, right?
Okay.
I did 3 trades. I did 2 calls, 1 put, and of course I did 1 index as well.
Correct.
And the moment I hit my trades, they were all mirror.
Then?
Now, in reality, I would have shut.
Okay.
Sell, or close, right?
Okay.
But because I was trading with you live, you said, relax. Sejam lagi dia naik lah tu. Dia tukar lah. And I relaxed and I waited. And guess what? All profit. It was small.
Wow.
But it was profit.
Exactly. Cool. Good.
Which I'm thinking to myself, wow, that's the kind of confidence and mindset I guess you need.
You see?
I think the fear is, right, the biggest fear I would say, and I get a lot of people who've been talking about it now since we started this podcast, is what if it starts to drop and it goes out of control? And the indicators all say that it will come back. But in your mind, it's going out of control. I'm going past what I'm supposed to spend.
Yeah, then you feel some kupu-kupu in your perut.
Kupu-kupu banyak, not some.
In your stomach.
Yes.
Right.
So do you still hold?
No, it's simple. That's why trading plan is important. Trading plan should be, make it simple. I'll give you an example.
Right.
For example, Facebook.
Right.
Today is $198.
Okay.
You need a trading plan for tonight.
Okay.
So the trading plan is very simple. It break 200, you're going to buy. It break 205, you're going to buy again.
Okay.
You're going to add into your position.
So you just add lah.
You just add.
Okay.
And you know the resistance at 220.
Yeah.
Right? So you enter at 200, you enter at 205, you enter at 210. You buy 3 times. And you're going to sell all at 230.
But the question is, how do you know the resistance at 230?
That is why you need to learn. You need to know what are the price area that suggests this animal has jumped.
Binatang ini melompat. Okay.
Right? This binatang, this, shall I say it, this animal, what we call sharks,
Right.
jump in. They don't jump just at that, at any price.
Right.
There's special price that they jump in. Either at resistance or at support.
Right. So support is right at the bottom, resistance right at
So
top.
that's our trading plan. 200 we buy, 205 we buy again, 210 we buy another one.
So you
We
add,
to the position.
right.
That means we have momentum for Facebook.
Okay.
We're going to sell all at 230. Why 230? 230 is the resistance.
Right at the top, which
At the
means
top.
it's going to do a reversal after that.
Now let's say it does not hit 200. Instead of go to 200, Facebook go down to 195.
Okay.
So you
Panic.
must have a trading plan. What do you do?
You...
Why you want to panic? You haven't entered anything.
Oh yeah, correct.
Right.
So then you switch it the other way around.
Exactly. Now if it goes to 190 and break 190, then you do the other way around.
Correct.
You either short or you buy puts option.
Correct.
So
Okay.
the price that you set, that is a trading plan. And you do it outside the market hours, not during the market hours.
Right.
That's why you cannot learn from YouTube. You cannot learn from books.
That is okay. I have to be very honest with you. I've seen so many gurus lah on Facebook lah.
Okay.
Nothing like what you are sharing right now has been shared out there.
Okay.
And in all honesty, when I came for your classes,
Yeah.
you made it sound so simple. You literally took whatever was in your brain
Yes.
and you put it out there.
Cool.
Kalau kau pandai, you see it, you take it. If you don't see it, too bad.
Sounds like I teach in a stupid manner.
Which is great, right? But
Okay.
but the point is, it's the knowledge that you have that you share.
Yes. Yeah.
And I have followed quite a few
Yeah, thanks,
gurus
Vic.
on YouTube.
They make things complicated. Sometimes.
I get lost.
Exactly. Because
I'm-
they make things complicated.
I'm more confused before I went in than you know what I mean?
The keyword here is high probability trades. Simple as that. You don't
Okay.
need indicator to do this. All that you know is that the trend has started, momentum has come in.
Yep.
That's it. And then you buy on retracement. That's it.
So the key is, at the end of the day, once you've got your mindset ready, once you've got your trading plan, and your trading plan key is you need to know where to buy.
Exactly.
At what price.
Where to buy, when the sharks jump in.
So now let's
What's
say
the
that
trend? Yeah.
let's just say all the indicators like today, there's a catalyst, Boeing is doing so well. They sold 50 million planes.
Okay,
Everyone's
okay.
excited. The max
You don't have to know all these
Yeah.
catalysts.
But it's exciting news, right?
Yes.
So something is going to happen with the market.
Yes.
Correct? Either
yes.
up or down.
Yes.
Now, let's say I set a trading plan.
Okay.
My trading plan is when Boeing hits, let's example say, I don't know what the price is, but let's say 170.
Okay.
Okay? It's now at 155.
Okay.
Let's say if it hits 170, I go in.
You just go in.
I go in because everyone's talking about resistance that it will hit probably 180.
Correct.
Okay?
Correct.
So that's 180.
Correct.
I go in at 170.
Correct.
Tapi I tunggu, dia tak sampai
It doesn't
170.
Then you do nothing. There's no rules for you to jump in.
Ah.
You do nothing. It's either you jump in. When you jump in, there's two things you do. Either you buy or you sell.
Correct.
Nothing happen. That means nothing happen.
Look at something else.
That means you buat bodoh, do stupid. Look stupid.
Look stupid, do stupid.
Right? And all what you say just now, all the catalysts, breaking
Yeah.
news, to be honest, you don't have to know this.
Okay.
Because that will be translated into price. You always believe price reflect all of the breaking news.
Okay.
So I know there's a lot of makcik-makcik bawang, onion auntie there. Onion auntie, onion uncle.
Kau dengar tak?
Kau dengar tak tips semua ni? All these tipus. You don't need that. Alright, brother.
Okay. So
Remember, all that you need is high probable trades. A price that tell you when you jump in 90% you will make money because you go higher.
Okay.
You don't want to buy lower, you want to buy higher.
Okay.
When you
All
break new high, that means sharks jump. And
Jerung masuk lah.
When you buy high, I always believe buy high, sell higher.
Correct.
If you buy low, you sell lower.
Lower. You know, that's the weird thing when I told my friend that, right? I said I went for Datuk's class. And he said, so I think if I was not mistaken, this is in Bursa. And I can't remember which shares it was. The price was dropping.
Okay.
So immediately my friend puts in a group.
Okay.
Oh, best time to buy.
Okay.
So I hero lah. I said, bro, relax. This is the wrong time to buy.
Yeah.
He said, what are you talking about? I
Because
said, no.
it fall.
Yes. What if it falls deeper? You're buying. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah. You're buying now and it's dropping. Then he said, so when to buy?
Correct.
I said, when the price starts going up again.
Exactly.
He's like, hey, please lah. I said, hey, please lah. I know what I'm talking about.
90% loss money, you know.
Correct.
Because they do the other way around. When
So-
it fall cheaper, they buy.
Yes.
And we go down, they hold. This
Yes.
is wrong. When we buy and it goes down, we need to quickly cut the loss.
Correct.
When it goes up, we need to hold longer. So
Correct.
that we have a bigger profit to cover all our previous loss.
Okay.
You see, basically, Fabes, you have to be a robot. You cannot be human to be super trader. You have to be counterintuitive.
All right.
If you use human nature, you will lose in the stock market. Human nature tells you to buy cheap.
Your brain always wants to protect you. So it
Correct.
tells you yes.
Correct. And human always tells you when you make some profit, quickly sell it.
Correct.
Because you're tamak and all this. That
Yeah.
is also wrong.
Right.
So basically, you cannot be human. You have to be alien to be to be trader. Right. Actually,
Okay,
both of us are alien.
Which planet are you from, Dato'? I'm from Mars.
I don't know where I've come from.
Tapi Mars kurang sikit lah trading. Experience kurang sikit.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I got very important question to ask you.
Right.
I remember having this conversation with you, Dato'. And you've told me very clearly, you said, Fabes, sometimes it is not about anything, but it's about the right timing.
Correct.
Okay?
Correct.
I don't know if it's this hit and run trading
Okay.
or scalper style trading.
Correct.
But it's about the right trading.
Exactly.
Okay, we'll talk about candlesticks and Marubozo and all that in a bit, so you'll understand. That's in the upcoming episodes. But for now, I'm just saying this to Dato', and you can also go and look it up on Google chart patterns and all. Within one growth of a candle,
Okay.
a green candlestick or a white candlestick,
Okay.
right? You can make money.
Correct.
Provided you come in on the right time.
Correct. Exactly.
So
Timings.
now the question is this: if the right time was not part of my trading plan, dia tak sampai 170. Okay, dia start at 155, but it's on an upward trend.
Okay.
And you can see that Marubozo and the
Understand,
volume is
understand.
growing as well.
Correct.
Do I come in and do I forget my trading plan and say this is an opportunity?
Cool. Good question.
Yeah.
You need to know where is your ideal place to buy.
Okay.
And then you also have another ideal place to sell. Sell got two. One sell at profit, and
Okay.
another one sell at the stop loss.
Stop loss,
So you have
yes.
some small losses.
Correct.
So you have this ideal place to buy. Now you miss this ideal place, right?
Okay.
Which means it has gone up
Yeah.
from your ideal place to buy.
Yeah.
Ideal price.
Yeah.
So what happened here is your risk to reward is no longer attractive.
Okay.
Probably your potential reward is only $10 instead of $20.
Right.
And your risk is bigger now.
Yes. Correct.
Right? Instead of $5, now your risk is probably $10.
Okay.
Right? So we are talking about risk to reward here. Well, to answer your question, you can still jump in, but you cannot buy at ideal number of volumes.
Okay.
You see, at ideal price, probably you want to buy 1,000 units.
Correct.
But once you miss it, you can still go in. But my advice is to buy smaller.
Smaller.
Instead of 1,000 units, probably you buy 500 or 300.
Correct. Okay. Okay.
If you still gatal to buy lah.
Okay.
But to me, my advice, don't buy lah.
Don't buy, right?
Because we have 100,000 stocks in the world.
Correct, because it's happened to me, right, Dato'?
Yeah.
You're checking other charts. You already got this on your watch list.
Correct.
Okay, you check. Okay, it's still not there yet. Belum lagi. You check other charts. You're busy checking. And then after 15 minutes later, you must have balik. Oh, lama. 3 big green candles.
Yeah,
From
you
where?
missed it already.
You missed it already. It's gone. So that's it. Forget about it.
That's why you need to learn overbought.
Oh.
There are times when you buy, you are the last one to buy because everybody has bought.
And then boom.
Including your nenek. Your nenek is also bought.
Correct.
Now you buy.
And then habis.
You better not buy it.
Okay.
So you need a little bit of technique to understand when is overbought happen.
Okay.
Overbought
okay.
means everybody has bought. You're
Bought.
the last one to buy. So you better not.
So those are the indicators that you use,
Exactly.
correct? To see whether it's overbought or...
That's why you need a software. You need an alert. software, you need a scanner. The scanner will tell you exactly when is the best time to buy. What is stock, the best stock for you to buy at the best time at that time. So you need a scanner actually.
Okay. So basically, this is what we take from today's episode. All right, today's episode is getting a bit more serious. As y'all can notice, we are using some words that maybe some of you may not know.
I think all the makcik that here already meninggal lah.
Apa dia cakap pasal lilin?
We
Tak ada elektrik kat rumah.
We haven't talked about the top bomber yet.
Correct. But in all honesty, right, Dato, really thanks to you. You've made this very, very simple
Thank you,
for people
Vibes.
to understand.
Thanks, Vibes.
You know, we have got a couple of people that we're going to call who've
Okay.
got some very important questions.
Good.
And you know, we'll get to the questions in a bit. My take on this
Okay.
is that at the end of the day, tell me if I'm wrong, huh?
Okay.
At the end of the day, regardless of what you want to do or where you want to go with your trading,
All right.
okay, whether you are an investor. Oh yeah, Dato, before I finish that, what kind of traders are there? There are certain categories of traders, right?
Exactly.
Would you like to explain that to us?
Generally we have three types of traders.
Okay.
The swing traders.
Okay.
Guerrilla traders. Scalper traders.
Okay, swing traders are people
Swing
who...
traders are basically people that buy and hold in 2 weeks.
Right.
Alright, basically in 10 days.
Okay.
Guerrilla,
Not gorilla.
Sounds like communist.
Oh yeah, I know. Guerrilla
trader
warfare.
are people that buy and sell within 1 day, 24 hours.
Okay.
Right, which I have most of my students. They are in guerrilla.
Yeah.
They buy today and sell after a few hours. Now the last one, this is the
most
biggest,
exciting one.
The most exciting and the gila, the most addictive, I would say, the craziest type of traders are scalpers.
Right.
Scalpers are people that buy and sell within minutes.
These are the hit and run cases.
These are hit and run, 5-10 minutes, snipers.
Wow.
You know, they wait at the right times, they just jump in, they just go like for 10 cents or 20 cents and they get out. These are called scalpers.
Right.
For scalpers, you need strong decision skill under pressure.
Right.
You need a strong internet connection, no hang.
Suddenly, Bob, alamak, what's going on?
That always happen.
Right.
Alright, and of course you need a strong support of software to alert you. You know, certain time there will be a big siren.
With the alerts that you have in your... Yeah.
You have to jump right at that times. And you need to get up probably in less than 5 minutes.
Do guerrilla traders need all these alerts and all that? You can have it, I guess.
Guerrilla, there's not really, because normally you hold like a few hours.
A few hours, correct. So it's a lot more relaxed.
There's more
You see,
relaxed,
that's where a lot of people make the mistake. Because I got a few friends that when I came for your seminar, right, I made some few friends. And we all, kononnya guerrilla traders. But in the mindset nak jadi scalper.
Tu je tak boleh.
Masuk kejap, keluar kejap, masuk kejap, keluar kejap. And then you see you've lost $100 US.
Exactly wrong. Remember, guerrilla use hourly chart.
That's the problem. Use
Hourly
5-minute
candle.
charts and then...
Cannot.
Yeah, fail. Gagal. But of course, all that has been rectified
But
now.
actually, there's another type of traders.
Uh-huh.
These are the gamblers.
Oh, this one, no, dangerous.
These people, they do not know why they buy, why they sell.
Masuk je.
They just follow the tipis.
And the Machi Bawangs.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Okay, man. This was an amazing session. I mean, amazingly enough, almost 20 over minutes have gone by. Now, it's very important for you to know that if you have a question about trading, you need to ask a professional. And you cannot get any more professionaler than the man who's sitting in front of me, DDNK, Dato Dr Nazri Khan. I tell you, if you ever get on board and become a part of his team or his trading group, let me tell you something. You will never see a man so relaxed. I was really impressed, Dato, when I did my first live trade with you.
Okay.
You got a room of 300 people sitting down there.
Yes.
This was in a university, and I'm watching you, right?
Yes.
And everyone's trading, following you, of course.
Yes.
And then, your people tengok merah and all that. And I'm thinking, this is one man telling 300 people, relax. Hey, korang buat apa kat sini? Stop looking at the red thing. Keluar pergi makan kami.
Oh, you was there.
I was. I'm like, he's got 300 people in his hands hoping to make money, and he's just chilling.
Nobody killed me at that time.
No, nobody killed you because everyone made money.
Yeah, after that.
I remember this one lady who made almost 1,000 USD that day.
Yeah.
Oh, 1,000 ringgit or 1,000 USD?
Ringgit. And she's a student, 21 years old.
That's crazy. You see, and it takes a different level.
Trading is for everyone.
Making money is not for everyone.
Exactly. Remember, money is sexy. No money is sexa.
All right. So until the next episode, because it's going to be even more important than this episode, you guys have to tune in. Hey, you nak duit tak?
Yeah. Thanks, babe.
All right.